call audio. Okay, someone's answering back, and I don't know who. Okay, somebody's writing me back. Let's see if that works. My ear hurts. Does your ear? I mean, I guess you don't have pierced ears, but sometimes it hurts if your ears are pierced. And I have this uncanny habit of squeezing my earlobe. Okay, I gotcha. Let's see. Let's scroll down here. Okay, that sounds great. Okay, the person that said I could call them, I'm going to call you right now. Let's see if this works. Ring, 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 ring. Are you there?
Hello,
Can you
Angela.
hear me? Oh, it's probably my thingamajig. I really appreciate this, by the way. Under audio settings, I gotta look underneath there because I can't hear them.
You hear me, Angela?
There. Maybe it works now.
Can
you hear me now? I'm not hearing you though. Are you talking?
On the Skype call, you're not hearing me now.
Jeez. Are you talking? Okay, good. So now I need to figure out if they can hear me on the Spreaker site. Yeah. Dougie, can you hear both parties? There's two people talking, or that jihad guy. I don't know who he is. The guy I'm talking about earlier. He roams the Spreaker chat rooms. How are you doing, Mr. White, as we wait to listen for someone to tell me? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Really? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I love Tom Waits. Is he still alive and is he still in New Orleans? Oh, well, I guess. Go ahead, sir. Mm-hmm. Some of the clips I've seen on YouTube and other places show him performing in New Orleans, so I erroneously believe that that must be where he lives and works. Is it true that he creates his own instruments? That's my understanding, or some of them. I'm asking a question in the chat room just in case. No, I'm trying. Sure. I'm trying different channels. They have this cable output for like Spreaker. Both? Because I just have the app up. I don't have the my Firefox, which is what I prefer to use, up. Now let's just go ahead and pull it up then. In the chat of despair. Yeah, I don't want to call it the chat room of despair. That's kind of sad to call it that, in my opinion. Let's see here. One moment. My kid must have put some apps on my computer. It's running slow. You may have to type if they can't hear you. I can hear you, but that's because you and I are Skype. I appreciate you helping me out because I finally got the virtual cable to work, and let's see if I can hear myself. Let's see if we can hear you talking here. Okay. So let me go to my settings and fix it. Maybe if I do this right here. How about now? Just go ahead and talk, Mr. Wright. I think this might work. Hopefully, Spreaker Tavern will let us know yay or nay. Let's see. Yes, the desktop app. Keep on waiting to hear yours echoing. He says no. Okay, let me go back to the studio. He says not hearing him if he's talking. I'll go back to channel 1. Trying to figure out how to fix it. Um, hmm. Ow, ow, my knee. Hit it. Let's see. I wonder if I do this one. Hold on. I got one more thing I could think of. Cable out. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me put it here. Let me know when you can hear both of us. Alrighty. Maybe I need to do this one. No, you could cuss the whole world at, and maybe it's the very last one. Maybe now. There would be an echo. There would be some type of echo. Now I can hear myself. Now I would think if it's yellow, it would be active. I'm trying. Just give me a couple more minutes. Maybe it's output that I need to look at. Let's see if it works now. Stabby! Stabby, can you hear us? Can you hear? Okay. Oh, yeah, I can hear you fine. But they're just got. Oh, well, I really appreciate you doing this. I'm going to change everything to the front panel. JP knows to do this, but I messed up last night. Might be a really bad echo now. Oh, that's bad. Not now. I did just to make. Oh, it's still an echo. Okay, I'm trying. Give me a minute. Um, maybe if I put this one on cable output. Um, ah, oh, that's scary. So that you can listen to the source in your headphones. When I do that, maybe if I can hit this. They said I sound like a female Tyrese.
No. Yeah. I don't think anything's coming through now. No. Yeah. I think I just heard my voice for a second. Yeah. I don't think anything's coming through now. So let's type in the chat. Okay. Yeah. You hear both. I think I just heard my voice for a second. Okay. Yeah. I don't think anything's coming through now. Okay. Here we go. Drum roll. Okay. No. I'm gonna try and play the show on my other computer. See if I can monitor. It's too confusing in my headphones here, you know? So I'm playing it over here on the speakers, I can turn it up and down. I'm coming through. Say something. Don't know. I can't tell. I hear a lot of echoes.
Yeah, I hear a lot of echoes too. I wonder if you can hear me now. It'll take a moment or two to make some changes to see if it's working.
Okay, let me mute my microphone for a moment and open up, turn the speaker up on the other.
Let's see if I hit this button and that button, and then all the audio goes away.
Okay, I just listened on the other computer. We're both coming through, but we're both coming through with echo.
And echo, okay.